I lied to you. You heard me right. I have lied to you. Let me explain. If you follow me or you see me come across your For You page, you've probably seen my videos where I talk about making $3,000 in a week or $10,000 in a month. That's not exactly the truth. Let me explain. You can eventually make that kind of money, but before you do, it takes lots of work and lots of training, and it could take you 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months before you reach that point. So let me explain more. I am an affiliate marketer and I promote products for businesses or services, and I earn a commission. However, when I started to learn, I did it all wrong. I did a lot of copy and pasting methods. You gotta start somewhere, right? Because I didn't have the correct training, I had no idea what I was doing. So when I was building my business, I was actually branding somebody else. But like I said, I got the right training, so now I know how to build a business online, branding me. And that's what you should do. And when I say that, you're going to take whatever you're passionate about and you're going to build a business around it, teaching other people or telling other people about your passion, about what you love to do. And then you find products around that and you can become an affiliate marketer for those products. The other thing, it's going to take time and it's going to take the willingness to learn, and you're going to have to invest in yourself. Look at it like this. If you were to go out tomorrow and open a coffee shop, you're not going to have people sitting at the tables tomorrow, right? No, you're going to need the tools to build that business. You're going to have money to build that business. You may need to train the people working for you to make those fancy coffees. So yes, it takes money to build a business, and yes, you need the right training. So if you're ready to build a business online and brand yourself and have a sustainable, long-lasting business, go over to my profile, click the link, jump into my Facebook group. I'm showing you the different types of steps that you can do to start building your business online, and you're going to be successful if you have the willingness to learn, the willingness to work hard, and never quit.